Hi, how are you today?
I good thanks and you.
I fine. So already know each other, but I want to know more about your daily routine. What do you usually do every day?
Well, I wake up 6:30 in the morning. I have breakfast with my family. Then I go to school. I also do my homework in the afternoon.
Nice. And what activities you do every day?
I don't exercise in the morning and I do watch TV at night because it go big early.
Interesting. When do you your homework?
I do my homework at 4 p.m. after school.
And what time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m. No, tell me about your routine. What do you the every I die?
Well, I wake up at 7 a.m. Then take a shower and go to school in the afternoon. I play soccer with my friends.
And what do you do in your daily routine?
I don't cook meals because my mom cooks, and I don't study at night because I'm usually tired.
When do you play soccer?
I play soccer at 5 p.m. after school.
And what time do you go to sleep?
I go to sleep at 11 p.m. Great. So new we come more about each other routines.
Yes, in last night talking about it book
Ik. Bye.